artificial intelligence is changing the world. It's not science fiction anymore. AI is in your phone, your car, even your refrigerator. AI tools are powerful. They can process information, they can learn from data, and they can make decisions. This means we can automate tasks. We can get insights from data. We can even create new products and services. So buckle up. Let's explore the exciting world of AI tools. Ever wished you could talk to your computer? With natural language processing, or NLP, you can. NLP helps computers understand human language. This means you can talk to your computer, phone, or smart speaker, and they will understand you. NLP powers chatbots, language translators, and even autocorrect on your phone. It's pretty amazing. Let's dive into two powerful NLP tools, GPT-3 and BERT. GPT-3 is like having a super smart writer at your fingertips. It can generate human-quality text. It can write stories, poems, even code. Imagine having GPT-3 write a catchy ad copy for your business, or create a personalized bedtime story for your child. The possibilities are endless. GPT-3 is still under development, but it's already changing how we write, create, and interact with computers. Ever wonder how Google understands your search queries so well? Meet BERT, Google's search engine's secret weapon. BERT helps Google understand the context of your search. This means it can give you more accurate and relevant search results. But BERT's powers go beyond search. It can analyze customer reviews, understand your emails, and even translate languages. It's like having a super-powered language assistant. Section 5 AI sees the world image recognition tools. AI is not just about words. It can also see and understand images. This is thanks to image recognition tools. Image recognition powers self-driving cars, facial recognition software, and even medical diagnosis tools. It's changing how we interact with the world around us. Let's explore two powerful image recognition tools, TensorFlow and OpenCV. Section 6, TensorFlow, from identifying cats to diagnosing diseases. TensorFlow is like a Swiss Army knife for AI. It's versatile, powerful, and can be used in a multitude of ways to solve various problems. It's a powerful tool for building all sorts of AI applications, including image recognition, natural language processing, and even predictive analytics. With TensorFlow, you can train computers to recognize objects in images. This involves feeding the system thousands of images and teaching it to identify patterns and features. This means you can build apps that identify plants, diagnose diseases from medical scans, or even create art. For instance, a botanist could use TensorFlow to identify rare plant species, while a doctor could use it to detect early signs of cancer in medical images. Artists and designers are also leveraging TensorFlow to create stunning pieces of digital art, pushing the boundaries of creativity and technology. TensorFlow is open source and widely used. This means that anyone, from hobbyists to professionals, can access and contribute to its development, making it a constantly evolving tool. The open source nature of TensorFlow has fostered a vibrant community of developers and researchers who continuously improve and expand its capabilities. It's also a fantastic resource for educational purposes. Many universities and online courses use TensorFlow to teach students about machine learning and artificial intelligence. It's a great tool for anyone interested in exploring the world of AI. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the basics or an expert aiming to develop advanced applications, TensorFlow provides the resources and support you need to succeed. The future possibilities with TensorFlow are endless. As AI continues to advance, TensorFlow will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping the technologies of tomorrow. Section 7. OpenCV, putting your computer's vision to work. OpenCV is another powerful tool for image and video analysis. This open-source library, which stands for Open Source Computer Vision Library, has been around since 1999 and has become a cornerstone in the field of computer vision. It provides a comprehensive set of tools and algorithms that enable computers to interpret and understand visual data. It's used in everything from robotics to augmented reality. In robotics, OpenCV helps machines navigate and interact with their environment by processing visual information. For augmented reality, it allows for the seamless integration of digital elements into the real world, creating immersive experiences. With OpenCV, you can build systems that track objects, recognize faces, and even understand human emotions. Object tracking is crucial for applications like surveillance and autonomous vehicles, where the system needs to follow moving objects accurately. Face recognition is widely used in security systems and social media platforms, while emotion detection can be applied in areas like customer service and mental health monitoring. It's like giving your computer superpowers. Imagine a computer that can see and interpret the world just like a human. This capability opens up endless possibilities, from enhancing user interfaces to enabling advanced automation. OpenCV is free to use and has a large and active community. This community continuously contributes to the library, adding new features and improving existing ones. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, you can find support and resources to help you with your projects. If you're interested in computer vision, OpenCV is a great place to start. It offers extensive documentation and tutorials that make it accessible to newcomers. Plus, its versatility means you can apply it to a wide range of projects, from simple image processing tasks to complex machine learning models. So, dive in and start exploring the fascinating world of computer vision with OpenCV. Section 8. Building smart machines, machine learning frameworks. Machine learning is the engine that powers many AI applications. It allows computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning frameworks are like toolboxes for building smart machines. They provide the algorithms and tools you need to train your own AI models. Let's explore two popular machine learning frameworks, Scikit-learn and PyTorch. Section 9. Welcome to your comprehensive guide on mastering machine learning with the right tools. Scikit-learn, your machine learning toolkit. This powerful library is designed to simplify the process of implementing machine learning algorithms. Scikit-learn is like a toolbox for machine learning in Python. It provides a robust set of tools that can help you tackle a variety of machine learning tasks. It's easy to use and has a wide range of algorithms for classification, regression, clustering, and more. Whether you're trying to categorize data, predict future trends, or group similar items together, Scikit-learn has you covered. With Scikit-learn, you can build spam filters, predict customer churn, or even recommend products. The possibilities are endless. Imagine creating a system that can automatically sort your emails, identify which customers are likely to leave your service, or suggest the perfect product to a customer based on their past purchases. Scikit-learn is a great choice for beginners and experts alike. Its user-friendly interface and comprehensive documentation make it accessible to those just starting out, while its powerful features and flexibility appeal to seasoned professionals. The library also boasts a wealth of tutorials and community support, ensuring that you can find help and inspiration whenever you need it. From online forums to detailed guides, the Scikit-learn community is always ready to assist. Another advantage of Scikit-learn is its seamless integration with other popular Python libraries, such as NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. This allows you to easily pre-process your data, perform complex analyses, and visualize your results, all within a single workflow. Scikit-learn's versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of real-world applications. From finance to healthcare, marketing to manufacturing, the library's tools can be applied to solve problems and uncover insights across various industries. As the field of machine learning continues to evolve, Scikit-learn remains at the forefront, constantly updating and expanding its offerings to keep pace with the latest advancements. By incorporating Scikit-learn into your toolkit, you're equipping yourself with a resource that will grow and adapt alongside the ever-changing landscape of machine learning. It's a powerful tool for anyone interested in exploring the world of machine learning. Whether you're a student, a researcher, or a professional, Scikit-learn provides the resources you need to succeed in your machine learning endeavors. Section 10. PyTorch, powering AI innovation. PyTorch is another popular machine learning framework. It's known for its flexibility and speed. It's used by researchers and engineers worldwide. PyTorch is particularly well suited for deep learning. a powerful type of machine learning that's behind many recent breakthroughs in AI. With PyTorch, you can build self-driving cars, develop new drugs, or even create art. The possibilities are only limited by your imagination.